Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to study about the an introduction to resources. Then, firstly, what is resources? Resources means the things which satisfy our needs are called resources. So there were various resources which satisfy our needs. That can be natural resources. That can be human-made resources. Either human resources means these are the resources by which we are sustaining our life based on these resources to satisfy our needs. So resources are divided into three parts. There are three types of resources, that is natural resources, man-made resources and human resources. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the natural resources. So what is natural resources? This question is done from us, in front of us. So the natural resources is a kind of resources which are God gifted. Means nature has offered us such kind of resources by which we satisfy our needs, like air, water, sunlight, land features like land, soil, minerals, etc. offered by nature, which are helpful to lead our life, to sustain our life. So further, this one natural resources can be classified on the base of origin, development, renewability and distribution. By and by we are going to discuss each of them. Firstly, classification based on origin. There were various resources based on origin, that is also categorized into two type, that is biotic and abiotic. Biotic resources means the kind of resources which are living beings, living organism included into biotic resources. Non-biotic resources means non-living beings. Into biotic resources, plants, human beings, microorganisms, etc. that can be reproduced themselves and helpful for us to lead our life. Abiotic resources, that is minerals, land, soil, air, water, etc. These are the abiotic resources. After that, classification based on the development. It's also categorized into two parts, that is actual and potential resources. Actual resources, the resources which quantity and quality known by us is known as the actual resources, while the potential resources, we don't know the quantity of the resources. For example, in South Africa, or you can say Africa continent, there were various waterfalls. Still we are not using that. Waterfalls can be a resource of hydroelectricity. So still each and every waterfall not used by human beings. In such condition we can say it is the potential resources. We don't know the actual quantity of these waterfalls to utilize as a hydroelectricity. After that, classification based on the renewability is also divided into two categories, that is exhaustible and inexhaustible. Exhaustible resources can be say renewable resources, and inexhaustible resources can be say non-renewable resources. So renewable resources renew the resources which can be used again and again, means renew means again we can be used. Such kinds of resources are called renewable resources. For example, hydroelectricity, sunlight, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, etc. are the source of renewable energy, inexhaustible source of energy. And non-renewable energy, inexhaustible resource of energy, is a kind of energy which are limited in quantity. Once a time, these resources definitely will be finished. For example, petroleum, coal, etc. are the non-renewable resource of energy. Today is enough for you. Next time I will tell you another things. Thank you.